Guys, this is the Herringbone Rye range. It's probably our most traditional range. Has a square frame with the cut beading around the outside. It's probably our most traditional, but depending on what handle you choose, it can still be quite a contemporary, depending on the handle you go for.
It's the Westminster range. Still a traditional shaker kitchen, but doesn't have the beading, so it looks maybe slightly more modern than the Rye range. Still has the exposed hinges, which we can generally match to your handles, and a traditional cornice, which we can change as well.
Is our Westgate range. It's our most contemporary one. It has a different profile to the other ranges of the Westminster and the Rye. It's got a slimmer shaker for the doors. It also has this T-bar. We call it a T-bar because that's the profile of it, which gives a more vertical rhythm along the kitchen and breaks up between the different units. Also, the cornicing will be different to the Westminster and the Rye, a lot more contemporary with the same profile to the shaker.
So this is our latest range. It's the Applegate range. We designed it in line with a client specification, and we really liked it, so we've introduced it as a new range. And it's really modern. It's flat doors. You still get a shaker on normal cupboards, but on drawers you get flat. And the handle is cut into the drawer, so it's effectively handleless kitchen.